it's your Camila. I'm here with Cami Solutions. So guys, we want to go over the PPP and the Economic Injury Disaster Loan. We're actually here able to help you guys apply for this loan. What require you eligible to get this funding. If you guys may know, last time there are different requirements. This time they have changed them because the bigger companies, million-dollar companies, were able to get those fundings first. So by the time they got down to sole proprietors, small business owners, the funds were allocated, or so many people had already got the grant. So you want to make sure that you're actually in the right place, and we want to tell you what they're looking for, and things like that, so that you can go ahead and apply. So I'm going to go over what qualifies your business to do it. First of all, you do not have to have a registered business to apply for these grants. So if you are a barber, if you do Uber, if you do Lyft, if you do DoorDash, if you are you clean houses, if you can prove that people have paid you via invoice, that people have paid you receipts, some type of things like prior to this date, which is January 31st. Last time it was in March, but now your business has to be open prior to January 31st, 2020. So that is what qualifies you for the grant. Okay, so before you start, don't think just because you do stuff under the table. So whether you're babysitting, whatever you're doing, that qualifies you as a small business owner, independent contractor. Okay, so the other thing is that you have less than 300 employees, business in low income county. So basically, if you don't know if your business is located in a low income county, you can actually go to a website called www.geomap.ffiec.gov, and that will tell you whether or not your business is located, whether it's your home address, whether you operate from your home, or your actual physical brick and mortar business is located in a low income area. So whatever address you want to apply for, you want to make sure that you're using whatever you put on your tax return. If you did not file a 2019 tax return, we can also assist you doing that. We also can assist you doing your 22 business for 2020 tax return as well. So guys, do not overthink this. It's very, very simple. If you do want to just go ahead and do it on your own, you can do that as well. Just go to the SBA.gov. And search economic and disaster loan. So guys, when you're doing these things, we will not be able to assist you, but you can search on Google, whatever, if you don't want to pay. But we do offer a fee because it does require us to create documents and things to help you out on the approval part. If you were to get denied, we can help you with the reconsideration. We can help you not only with the grant, not only with the loan, but also paycheck protection. Like, everything will be included when we do this for you, and we're working for you to make sure that you get everything set up. Even after you receive funding, we make sure that you get your business registered. We make sure that you start getting ready to set your step up for business funding, making sure that you have a proper website, making sure that you have everything set up properly. That's what we'll be able to do for you. So when you come through us versus you on your own, because now it's 2021, it's time to take things to a new level. Guys, we have to take our business serious and treat it like a business and not just a hobby, because then we don't have to go through these things wondering whether or not what I'm doing is qualified. Okay, so if you actually can prove, whether it's cash out transactions, bank statements, receipts, invoices prior to 2020, January 31st, 2020, you are eligible. Meaning, if you started your business January 1st, you are eligible for these grants. So with the $10,000 grant that's coming up tomorrow, the same qualifications, you get up to $1,000 per employee. Guys, don't say that you don't have employees, because you got people that help you and do things for you. They are your employee. Whether you have a lawyer, right? Whether you have a cleaner, whether you have maintenance, whether you have an assistant, whether you have somebody that just come and run errands for you, whether you have your tax preparer. These people all work for you guys. So these are your employees. All you have to do is make sure you show how you paid them and how they are of service to you, and they actually can count as your employee. So guys, get creative when it comes to that, so you can receive the entire $10,000 advance. Now, as far as the loan goes, it is credit based. So you know, we actually work with your credit or whatever, but if you get denied, we also work with your reconsideration as well, because guys, you have suffered an economic injury loan, and the thing is that you needed a 30% reduction in income, so we just choose 2 months from last year, from 2019, and we compare them to 2020, and we can show that you had a significant decline, 30% decline due to the pandemic. We just choose 2 months so we can compare receipts and transactions to, whether they're invoices, whether, you know, you have a software. Guys, we can help you do all these things if you don't have this in order, and that's why it's great to go with us. But if not, you can actually do everything on your own. But you will need to have these documents proven. You will need to have a Schedule C, a tax return. You know, I don't know what are their requirements, because we won't know anything until we start applying tomorrow, which is what's tomorrow? Is the 18th, the 19th, or the 18th? No, the 17th is when they open up the portal. So guys, we'll be able to do everything. So when you finish, just click schedule below. There is a $25 consultation fee. So in order for you to call us, take about time, because so many people are calling. We want to work with serious people only. You know, we do value our time. It's a $25 consultation that is non-refundable. That basically shows where we speak with you, answer all your questions before you sign anything or you go with us. Even if you want to apply for on your own, we can answer a few questions. That is a $25 fee for 15 minutes. So yeah. And then the next thing I want you guys to know is we do, if there are documents that are prepared, we actually get our clients to get a legal protection plan that is $99, which can be rebated from the consultation cost. So if you will have to get a legal protection plan, and it's also one of the employees that you can use on as an employee. Okay, so that is $99, and that actually gives you legal protection. So that if you were audited, if you were sued, if you're having a dispute or anything like that, you have an attorney for your business, whether it's, setting up your business properly, you can speak to a lawyer about anything about your business for that fee. And then if you choose to opt out, there is a 10% once the fund is received, there is a 10% agreement. So if you do get the attorneys, you don't have to pay the 10%. If you don't get the attorneys, you are required to pay us the 10% of funds received. Okay, whether, like I said, we're going to do the paycheck protection, the EDIL grant, and the EDIL loan for you. So guys, we have until December for the EDIL. We have until March for the paycheck protection. So guys, it's up to you when you want to do it. And I do not want you guys to think like, oh, we have to rush, because guys, think about it. So many people are applying. So many people are going to get denied because they're doing it wrong, because they're not really taking a step back to think, what documents do I have to send in? What do I have to prove? So we got you. But I just wanted to, record this video, and I can't wait to speak with you and help your business get the funding that it deserves. Have a nice day.